Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Kraken's withdraw flow for Doge, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Kraken website or app and log into your account. Navigate to your account dashboard. Locate the funding tab in the menu. Click on the withdraw option. Select Doge from the list of available cryptocurrencies. If you haven't added a Doge wallet address yet, click on Add Wallet. Enter your Doge wallet address carefully. Give your wallet a recognizable label for easy identification. Click on Confirm to save your Doge wallet address. Now return to the Withdraw section. Enter the amount of Doge you wish to withdraw. Double-check your wallet address and the withdrawal amount. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed. You may need to complete a security verification step if prompted. Check your email for any confirmation requests from Kraken. Confirm the withdrawal request via the link provided in your email. Wait for the transaction to be processed. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Funding tab under Withdrawals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.